All right, hi everybody. So I've got another AC unit here. This one's a little different. It is totally self-contained. Pretty interesting concept. So we kind of help these people out with some measurements, kind of designing this to get it to fit into and under the bunk of on the Cascadias and also on the Volvos as well. So they sent us one out. I wanted to kind of go ahead and get it out of the box here and see what we got. Then later down the road, stay tuned because we are going to install this in one of our trucks and see how it works out and power consumption, noise, and all that good stuff. But I like the concept. It could be a really quick and easy install with not having an outside unit. So let's go ahead and get it out of the box and see what we got here. Alright, got the unit. So we got some harnesses here. Looks like we got a remote control. Looks like that's your panel, fixed mounted panel. We got some clamps and hardware here, and our instruction manual. So it looks like the unit, I mean, when I first got this box, I was like, well, this thing's really big, but after kind of seeing how they got this packed in here, it's not quite as big as what I originally thought. So. And, looks like we got some cable. Looks like these actually have fuses already. That looks like a inline fuse, so that's nice that that's already on there. We got some ducting. So I'm assuming here that these bigger duct lines, and again, completely assuming since I haven't put this together or looked at the instructions yet, are going to be for your exhaust, your hot air side, since everything, your condenser, evaporator, and everything is inside of the truck. You have to have some way to exhaust that hotter air, so that's what I'm guessing those are for. And this is going to be for your cold air to go into your factory, ducking in your sleeper or whatever. Cardboard. Okay. Probably gonna need a hand with this. Okay, so that was kind of stuck in there, so it took an extra hand to get it out of the box. So this is really interesting. Pretty compact. This is like an insulation or type material, it looks like. So right here is going to be for your cold side, it looks like, and then on the other side, this is going to be for your hot air going out of the truck. So I can see this being a really quick install, and then you're just going to be putting holes in the bottom of the sleeper instead of mounting something on the back of the truck. So I just purchased a truck not too long ago here that we're getting ready to resell. So I think I'm probably going to put this in that truck and sell it with that truck. So and that'll give us a good case or a good chance to see how it all works and do an install on something that's mine versus somebody else's. So I'm gonna pretty well leave it at that right now. So pretty exciting. Like I said, I'm real curious how this installation goes. Like I said, it looks like it's gonna be really quick, which would be a big savings in labor, and like I said, less, irreversible holes and stuff put in to the back of the truck or mounting something on the back of the truck. So with that, I'm going to kind of leave it. So the next one, stay tuned. The next video, we'll install this in I got a 2018 Cascadia that we're going to throw this in with one of our lithium battery packs as well, and see how it all goes. So that's pretty much it for today. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for updates, like the video, and stay tuned for more. We'll see you next time.